Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we are going to learn about swept option. These are the two main things we have to remember in a swept option. First one is trajectory, second one is profile. The trajectory is nothing but trajectory is a path of the component which we produced. Profile is the cross section of the component. In swipe option the trajectory may be open or close. Likewise the profile is also open or close based upon your requirement. Let's move on the software. Go to the new and click a part solid option and unclick the use default templates and go for millimeter newton second as a units and click OK. Initially we have to draw a trajectory, so go to the sketch and select a corresponding plane and make it for sketch on view. Initially I have going to draw the spline as a open profile trajectory. After drawing this open profile trajectory as a path, then click OK. Now I am going to utilize this spline as a path or trajectory for my component. Then go for the swipe option. Now our open sketch spline is highlighted in the green color. You can also flip the direction by click the arrow mark to place our profile at corresponding position. Initially we have a solid option. Make sure you have to click a solid option and go for create or edit swipe section to describe the cross section or profile of our component and make it for sketch on view. Automatically it shows the intersecting axis. We must have to draw at this position. Don't forget to place a sketch at wrong position. Please place the sketch at correct intersecting axis position. I just go for the palette and select a user default templates. Just select a eye profile and place it in a workspace. Then click OK. Now the sketch is perpendicular to the trajectory. If you are not draw the correct location of the axis which is shown in workspace, the swipe cannot be created if we alter the center position of spine. Then click OK. Now our eye cross section profile is created along the spline trajectory. Just click OK. We have to apply the many more options in the swipe, so just edit the previous features. Now I am going to utilize the open trajectory for the open profile. So just go for a swipe option and select our trajectory spline and click create or edit swipe section and go for sketch on view, and also I draw the spline as a profile. Previously I draw the eye profile as a cross section. Now I am draw the spline as a profile. You have to just click OK to create a surface in your swipe. While we draw the open profile, automatically the feature is appearance in surfaces, not a solid, it appearance in a surfaces. If you want to change in solid, we have to click a solid option. After clicking the solid option, automatically the open profile is converted to the thicken. Now it shows a thickness. You can alter the thickness based upon your requirement. So this is a way of creating a open profile and a open trajectory swipe. Then click OK. Just delete the previous sketches Then select a plane which you want to sketch and make it to the normal view or sketch on view. Now I am going to draw a trajectory as a closed profile. This is my trajectory, look like a rectangular shape. Previously I draw the spline as a trajectory, but in this session I just draw the rectangle as a trajectory. After completing my trajectory, just click OK. Then go for swipe option. Now our trajectory is highlighted, just click a create or edit swipe section option and make it for sketch on view. Now I am going to draw the ellipse as a profile or cross section. And click OK. Now the helical swipe is created successfully by using a closed trajectory and closed profile. Just click OK. Then we are going to draw a closed trajectory and open profile. So just delete the previous options, or otherwise we have to go change the only profile. Just go for create edit swipe section and make it for sketch on view and delete the ellipse profile, because ellipse is a closed profile. I just delete it, and then I have to draw the open profile for the closed trajectory. Apply the fillet at all sharp corners. Now I draw the open sketch as a profile, closed rectangle as a trajectory. You can easily visible here the open profile and closed trajectory. Just click OK and OK for applying the surfaces. While we drawing the open profile is automatically convert to surface, not a solid. So we want to convert to the solid by clicking the icon solid. Now the closed trajectory and open profile is successfully applied here. If you want to convert into solid, just go for edit definitions and click a solid option and apply the amount of thickness to be produced. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.